Lucky Dube, the reggae icon of South Africa. Lucky Dube, South Africa's celebrated reggae star, was more than just a musician. He was a voice for the voiceless, an advocate for social justice, and a champion for unity. Born on August 3, 1964, in Ermelo, Mpumalanga, Lucky Philip Dube grew up amid the racial and social challenges of apartheid South Africa. As he rose to fame, he used his music to highlight issues of injustice, unity, and resilience, becoming one of Africa's most beloved reggae artists. With a career spanning over 2 decades, Dube's legacy is characterized by his powerful lyrics, unique voice, and a deep commitment to human rights and social change. Lucky Dube's early musical journey began in his youth, when he joined a choir in school and became interested in performing. In his teenage years, he started a small group with friends and relatives, which became the foundation of his passion for music. His career officially started in the early 1980s with mbaqanga, a traditional Zulu music style, and he released several albums in this genre. However, after encountering the music of reggae icons such as Bob Marley and Tosh, Dube found a deep connection with reggae's themes of liberation, unity, and justice. This marked a turning point in his career, as he switched to reggae, aiming to address the struggles of apartheid and speak out against oppression. In 1984, he released his first reggae album, Rastas Never Die, which was banned by South African authorities due to its politically charged messages. Despite this setback, Dube persevered, and in 1985, he released Think About the Children, which became a major success and brought him national recognition. His reggae sound, influenced by roots reggae but infused with African rhythms and lyrics addressing South Africa's socio-political issues, quickly earned him a strong following across Africa and internationally. Through albums like Slave, Together as One, and Prisoner, Dube's music explored themes of social justice, racial harmony, and personal freedom. Songs like Together as One emphasized unity in a country divided by apartheid, while Different Colors/One People became an anthem for reconciliation and peace. His 1989 album Prisoner propelled him to global fame, and he became one of the first African reggae artists to achieve international success, performing on major stages worldwide. Dube's music extended beyond South African borders, making him a global ambassador for reggae and African music. His lyrics, sung in English, resonated with people across continents who could relate to the universal message of fighting for justice and dignity. He brought African experiences into reggae, creating a unique and authentic sound that transcended racial and cultural barriers. Dube was also known for his warm stage presence and genuine connection with his fans, always using his platform to advocate for a better world. Tragically, Lucky Dube's life was cut short on October 18, 2007, when he was fatally shot during an attempted carjacking in Johannesburg. His death shocked fans worldwide, who mourned the loss of a musician dedicated to peace and unity. Yet, Dube's music continues to inspire and uplift people, and his legacy endures as a testament to his life's work. Today, Lucky Dube is remembered not only as South Africa's reggae legend but as a powerful voice for change whose songs continue to spread messages of hope, unity, and resilience. His music stands as a tribute to the idea that music can be a force for positive change, and his life remains an inspiration for those who strive for a world of equality and harmony.